Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC B1040, indicates a communication loss between the body control module BCM and the front wiper system in a Honda Accord model from 2017 to 2023. The BCM is responsible for controlling various electronic components in the vehicle and is located under the dashboard. The front wiper system consists of the windshield wiper control unit and motor, which are essential for ensuring clear visibility during inclement weather by utilizing the vehicle's wiper blades effectively. When this DTC is triggered, it can lead to a malfunction of the wipers, resulting in inconsistent or completely non-functional wiper operation. This issue could stem from electrical faults, such as short circuits or open wires, preventing proper communication. Accurate diagnosis is crucial to restoring operational integrity to the vehicle. The BCM, or Body Control Module, plays a pivotal role in the car's electrical system by managing various functions such as lighting, door locks, and the front wiper system. It is intentionally designed to communicate with multiple components through the local interconnect network, LIN. The front wiper system consists primarily of the windshield wiper control unit and the motor, which work together to control the operation of the wiper blades. The control unit is typically situated adjacent to the windshield under the hood, while the BCM is located beneath the dashboard. When the BCM fails to communicate with the front wiper system, the windshield wipers will either operate sporadically or not at all, which can be crucial for driver safety. Immediate diagnostics of this issue should involve the use of the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, for accurate troubleshooting. Several issues could lead to the activation of DTC B1040. A faulty body control module, BCM, may fail to send signals to the front wiper control unit, essentially isolating it from the entire system. Wiring issues, such as frayed or damaged wires, can interrupt the communication lines between these components. Additionally, if the fuse linked with the wiper system is blown, it can sever the relationship between the BCM and the front wiper system, resulting in loss of function. Each of these possibilities needs to be carefully investigated, as addressing the root cause is necessary to resolve the communication loss. Proper diagnostic tools like the HDS can help identify which components or connections are potentially at fault. When DTC B1040 is present, several symptoms may manifest in the vehicle's operation. The most obvious symptom is the complete failure of the windshield wipers to function. This means that pressing the wiper control may yield no response. Alternatively, the wipers may exhibit intermittent operation. They could work occasionally but fail at other times, leading to unpredictable behavior that can compromise safety during rain or snow. The controls dedicated to managing the wipers may become unresponsive, further complicating the driver's ability to navigate adverse weather conditions. Recognizing these symptoms is essential for initiating the troubleshooting process. The first troubleshooting step for DTC B1040 involves clearing the existing DTCs using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. This is crucial because it resets any temporary issues that may have triggered the code without physical faults. After clearing the DTCs, turn the vehicle off to the lock position and then turn it back on. This process allows the system to initiate a self-check. It is essential to wait at least 6 seconds after cycling the ignition to ensure that all systems have a chance to reinitialize fully. Post this time frame, use the HDS again to check if DTC B1040 reappears, indicating whether the issue persists. This step is critical to establish whether the malfunction is an intermittent fault, which might resolve itself upon reset. The second troubleshooting step involves checking fuse number A56, which is integral to the proper functioning of the front wiper system. Fuses are designed to protect the electrical circuits from overloads by breaking the circuit if the current exceeds a safe limit. By inspecting this specific fuse, you can determine if it is functioning correctly. If the fuse is blown, it indicates that a fault occurred, potentially caused by a short to ground in the circuit connected to the wipers. In such a case, replacing the blown fuse is crucial. However, if the new fuse blows again, additional steps must be taken to diagnose the source of the short before simply replacing the fuse again. This ensures that the issue is addressed without repeatedly damaging new components. The third step in troubleshooting DTC B1040 focuses on isolating potential failure areas, notably in the windshield wiper control unit or motor's power and ground connections. Begin by turning the vehicle off, lock, and disconnecting the windshield wiper control unit motor's 6P connector. This disconnection helps to isolate the unit from the circuit. Next, measure the voltage between specific test points on this disconnected connector. Point 1 is designated as number 2 and point 2 as number 1. This step is done with the vehicle still in the off-lock mode. If battery voltage is found, it indicates that there is adequate power reaching the control unit. However, if there is no voltage, it suggests either an issue with the wiper control unit or a problem in the wiring leading to it. Proper voltage measurement is crucial for guiding the mechanic towards efficient repairs. In the fourth step of troubleshooting DTC B1040, the focus shifts to checking for open wires in the +B whipper line. This check requires ensuring continuity between two specific test points while the vehicle is in the off-lock mode. With the windshield wiper control unit / motor's 6P connector disconnected, the first test point remains the same as before, specifically number 2 of that connector, while the second point is grounded to the body. The objective is to find whether or not there is a continuous electrical path. Should there be continuity, it may indicate a problem with high resistance in the ground wire or a faulty ground connection, while the absence of continuity signifies an open wire problem that needs addressing. These checks are vital for ensuring that all wiring is intact and functioning as intended. Troubleshooting Step 5 requires a rigorous inspection of the LIN FR wiper line to ensure no shorted wires exist. Begin by disconnecting the body control module, BCM connector A, identified as a 66P connector. Then, conduct continuity testing between specified test points. Testing point number 4 on the windshield wiper control unit / motor, 6P connector, and a body ground. If continuity is present, it indicates a short circuit to the ground within the wiring. Resolving a short requires repairing the affected wire segment to restore proper communication between the BCM and the wiper control unit. Conversely, if there's no continuity, it indicates the LIN wire is intact, allowing for the next troubleshooting step to proceed without concerns over wire integrity. The final troubleshooting step in addressing DTC B1040 involves another continuity check in the LIN FR wiper line. In this step, you will check for continuity between the body control module connector, A, 66P, specifically pin number 60, and pin number 4 on the windshield wiper control unit / motor 6P connector. The vehicle must again be in the off-locked mode with both connectors previously disconnected. If continuity checks out, it confirms the LIN wire is functional, and you should proceed with replacing the windshield wiper control unit / motor. Should the DTC persist, even after replacement, it points towards a potential failure of the BCM itself, which may need to be replaced. If continuity is absent, It suggests there may be an open or poor connection in the wire that needs careful rectification. The testing serves to finalize the diagnostic process thoroughly. Once repairs have been executed to address the issues related to DTC B1040, it's essential to conduct a final verification of the repair. Start by clearing all diagnostic trouble codes again using the HDS. After clearing, test the windshield wiper operation to confirm they function correctly upon activation. Additionally, verify that no codes reappear in the system after testing. This final check ensures that all components are functioning harmoniously as intended and reassures that the communication link between the BCM and the wiper system is restored. A successful outcome will indicate that the repairs carried out were effective, cementing confidence in the reliability of the wiper system moving forward. To prevent the occurrence of DTC B1040 and related issues, regular preventive maintenance is critical. Conducting routine electrical system checks can help in identifying potential faults before they escalate into significant problems. Regular inspections of wiring and connectors, especially those associated with the windshield wiper system, can catch damage such as frays or corrosion. Ensuring that fuses are of the correct ratings is also essential, as using incorrect fuses can lead to unnecessary system failures or enhanced risks of shorts. These proactive measures contribute not only to the longevity of the vehicle's components, but also enhance overall driver safety by ensuring effective functionality of the wiper system whenever needed. In conclusion, understanding DTC B1040 is vital for maintaining optimal communication between the body control module and the front wiper system in Honda Accord models from 2017 to 2023. Recognizing the importance of communication helps in diagnosing faults effectively and prioritizes timely responses to repairs. A comprehensive and meticulous diagnostic approach is necessary to identify underlying issues that could hamper wiper functionality. The steps detailed in this troubleshooting guide elucidate a clear method for isolating faults within the system. Ultimately, ensuring effective wiper operation is crucial, not only for driver visibility, but also for safety, particularly in adverse weather conditions. Maintaining vigilance with preventive measures will help avoid recurrence of the issue and uphold the overall reliability of the vehicle. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.